Welcome to Mastering HTML for ASP .NET projects using examples. This is our step-by-step series specially designed for absolute beginners. In this series, we will learn how to use HTML effectively while developing ASP .NET projects through real practical examples. If you are new to web development or looking to strengthen your HTML fundamentals for ASP.NET, you are in the right place. Let us begin this exciting journey together right here on ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this video, we will cover the basic structure of an HTML document. An HTML document consists of a doc type declaration, an HTML element, a head element, and a body element. Headings are used to define the structure of a web page. There are 6 levels of headings ranging from H1 to H6. H1 is the most important heading while H6 is the least important. Paragraphs are used to define a block of text. They are often used to separate text into logical sections. Links are used to navigate between web pages. They can be text-based or image-based. Images are used to add visual content to a web page. They can be in various formats such as JPEG, PNG, or GIF. Lists are used to group related items together. There are 2 types of list, ordered and unordered. Tables are used to display data in a grid format. They are often used to compare data or show relationships. Forms are used to collect user input. They can contain various types of input fields such as text boxes, check boxes, and buttons. Div elements are used to group related content together. They are often used for layout and styling purposes. Span elements are used to group inline content together. They are often used for styling and scripting purposes. Classes and IDs are used to identify and style elements. Classes can be applied to multiple elements while IDs are unique to a single element. Semantic elements are used to define the structure and meaning of a web page. They provide better accessibility and SEO. Microdata is used to add additional metadata to a web page. It is often used for search engine optimization (SEO) purposes. Area attributes are used to improve accessibility. They provide a way to make dynamic content and interactive elements more accessible to users with disabilities. HTML5 input types provide a way to specify the type of data that should be entered into a form field. They improve form validation and user experience. HTML5 form attributes provide a way to customize form behavior. They improve form usability and accessibility. The HTML5 canvas element is used to create dynamic graphics and animations. It's often used for games and interactive applications. The HTML5 video element is used to embed video content in a web page. It provides a way to play video without requiring a plugin. The HTML5 audio element is used to embed audio content in a web page. It provides a way to play audio without requiring a plugin. The HTML5 SVG element is used to create scalable vector graphics. It is often used for logos, icons, and graphics. The HTML5 MathML element is used to create mathematical equations and formulas. It is often used in educational and scientific contexts. The HTML5 embed element is used to embed external content such as PDFs or videos in a web page. The HTML5 object element is used to embed external content such as PDFs or videos in a web page. It provides a way to display alternative content if the browser does not support the embedded content. The HTML5 iframe element is used to embed another HTML document within a web page. It is often used for advertising, maps, and other external content. The HTML5 meta element is used to provide metadata about a web page such as character encoding and viewport settings. It is often used for search engine optimization SEO and mobile device compatibility. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on ASP.NET SQL and web development topics. And if you know someone learning HTML or ASP.NET, do share this video with them too. Stay tuned for the next part in this series and keep learning, keep coding. presented by ASP NET and SQL Academy.